Hi guys, thanks for clicking this video. I have several videos about LM317, but this one is something else. Here is the schematic that I take. Look, it is super simple. LM317 voltage divider 220 ohms and 313. I used the 5000 ohms as 313 with pot. This is 3mm pot, multi-turn. We use multi-turn for precision adjustment, high accuracy adjustment with the multi-turn. And I use 2 meter here, one for current and the other one for the voltage. Also I use one 4-digit panel to measure all the time the voltage, because I decided to use this voltage source for the next project. It is really stable, and with around 2 amps traffic or load, the output voltage will not change. And as you can see, we don't have any special component over here. It means this device working very nice for the electronics project. This is my dummy load. Here is my voltage source and my treatment alignment tools to change the voltage with the pot. It is a little bit hard to adjust this transistor, this pot, because of working with a hand. Very good. You're going up. I will say 4. You can change. You can see the both meters, direct and amount, both sides. I will stay on 3.3 volts to test the dummy load. 3.1. Very good. Very good. Look at the meters, current and 2 voltage. As soon as I'm starting the load, the voltage not change. It's really stable. Now I have around 1 amps. The voltage is really stable on 3 volts, direct and amount. LM317 is one of the best adjustable regulated ICs or transistors with several usages. I have some videos about milliohm measurement with LM317. It's coming in 2 packages. The big package for around 2 amps and a small one around 300 milliamps. And here is finally the schematic that I use for 3.3 volts. I will stay on the schematic if you are going to make it. Dividers 220 ohms, 330 ohms, 100 nano and 1 micro. Thank you very much and goodbye.